Alright, Sirski! I'm back, everyone. Welcome. That battery's percentage is because my sister used it a little bit, but yeah. I'm back, baby. I got my VR back. I'll explain why. My sister thought it was a great idea to cry because I wanted to play this game. So yeah, it was gonna claim my sister's fault. I'm not okay, fine, it's gonna be our fault. Heck, bro? Yeah, I missed a lot, but yeah. Let's get into the game mode. Great, the zone is Ayo dog. Be careful, bro. I don't wanna hit you, man. Ayo dog, stop smelling my Minecraft Crocs. Alright, well, let's see what do they have here. Quick note, the way the way lobbies works is have been changed. You now have to actually teleport to the map to join the lobby for that map. This was done so different maps can have different player counts, and so people don't have to always ask what map they're in. Ah, cool. All right, let's go. Now let's go to meetup first, cause it. Whoa. What? Cause like this map had the update, and it was the one. It was an update that everyone was hyped about. So let's see what the hype was about. Public. Let's stop yapping and let's enjoy this map. Alright, let's go. Hello? Oh! Green, why is you doing a 180? Can I move? Thank you. Hello? Can I grab onto the thing? Yes, I can. Hello? Oh, heck nah. I would. Yeah, I'm going here. I feel safe here. Wait, why am I being... Doors don't work. Guys, where y'all at? What the heck? Uh-oh, I can't go back. Guys? Yeah, I'm too scared to go, bro. Guys, why is that glitching? Guys, where you at? Oh, my green. Why do you have a Sims Emerald? I mean, I'm not, but I'm new because of this map. Whoa! There's a whole different teleportation in here. What? What's in there? Yeah, I'm not messing with that for sure, man. Thank you, but I'm not messing with that. No! Ow.
Let's go back. Let's check if he's there, chat. Let's check if he's there.
Yo.
Still there.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
He said he's still there.
He's gone. I've heard that. I don't know. I'm not actually sure. Guys, what's the hallways map? I'm new.
No jumping back up. No jumping back up.
What is the hallways, bro?
He's not here.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, he's not going back. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back.
Heck no, bro. I'm not going back, bro. What you saying?
Come on, let's go. It's 1v20. Oh yeah, 1v50 him.
Jump him.
1v50 him? What you mean about that, bro?
Everyone, he's the dribbler that beat the 100 people. Just fight him. He can't beat us, right? Guys, he's more scared of us.
Yo.
He's more scared of us than we are scared of him. He's more
Oh yeah, you're ready. Go get him.
He's more scared of us than we are.
He's more scared of us. He's more scared of us.
Ah, heck no.
Guys, quiet. I can hear his footsteps.
Yo. Bro.
Go check it out. Let's go check it out. Let's go check this out. Alright, let's go see what happens. Oh, fuck. Go to the right.
That doesn't mean he's coming over here. He's not coming over, guys.
The bean, bro. The bean is still here, or is it a new monster, bro? I'm confused with this update. Oh, it's a new monster. It's not the bean no more. Does it still kick you out?
Guys, listen. They're adding back new meat. Old meat.
Stir them beans!
Guys, I love big guys. You know what in Redam?
Guys, really dark. I can't see.
It's gonna be meet up and meet up Redam.
Heck nah.
Always go to the left.
Please.
Right there.
Not right there. Why are we running? That's him.
He runs around the door.
I was joking. I was joking.
Yo,
My mom. It's not my mom. Faithfully above.
y'all are making my flashlight not flashlight.
In my father's place.
That thing is mad scared. I'm not going in front of him, bro. It looks like it's gonna kick you out. You know what? I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna join another map. I have to record. And it does kick you out. Let's go! Yay! Alright, we're back. So this time, we wasted a lot of time in the new meetup map. Let's go to hallways, shall we? Red, what's good?
Oh my goodness.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, traffic cone guy. Oh my god. I'm excited. Whatever.
It's gonna shoot wooden bullets.
Well,
Hallways? What the freak, bro? I'm a very new person to this game, okay? So I don't know hallways. I've seen clips about it, but they had like old gorilla type designs. But yeah. Yo, why is this so loud? Why the freak is this so loud? Why is this so loud? Why is it so loud? That thing is not loud. Start a mate. Wibbly woggly boogly. Hey, 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 hey. You.
I want him to chase us.
Start it. Oh, wait, no. Is he there? No, he's not. Okay, let's go. Hey. He can't follow me though. You.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
My phone is dead. That's my only source of the microphone. Why did you